वाघ संरक्षित क्षेत्राच्या बाबतीत राज्य सरकाराक एक व्हडलो धपको बसला। 3 महिन्यां भितर म्हादय अभयारण्य अधिसूचित करून लागसरचो वाठार जो आसा तो वाघ संरक्षित क्षेत्र जाहीर करात म्हणून हायकोर्टान आदेश दिल्यात।
म्हादई अभयारण्य वाघ संरक्षित क्षेत्र म्हणून जाहीर करचे हाचे खातीर गोवा फाउंडेशनान उच्च न्यायालयात याचिका दाखल केल्ली। ही याचिका निकालान काडटना उच्च न्यायालयान म्हत्वाचो निवाडो दीत गोंय सरकाराक धपको दिला।
The High Court has just pronounced its verdict that the state is to notify Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary and surrounding areas as a tiger reserve within 3 months from today. The High Court has also directed them to set up anti-poaching camps within 6 months from today, and has also directed that a tiger conservation plan be prepared by the state government and sent to the National Tiger Conservation Authority for approval within a fixed time frame, and the NTCA has been directed to give all possible assistance to ensure that the plans get approved and that the tiger reserve for the state of Goa becomes a reality very shortly. The entire directions, including settlement of forest rights, have all to be completed within the year. This is the order of the High Court on the Goa Foundation's petition for notifying a tiger reserve for Goa.
म्हादई अभयारण्य वाठारात वाघ संरक्षित क्षेत्राक सुरवातीच्यानूच विरोध जायत आसा। म्हादई अभयारण्य पयलींच आसा तेन्ना वाघ संरक्षित क्षेत्र करप शक्य नाशिल्ल्याचे रजावदीत राज्य सरकारान वाघ संरक्षित क्षेत्राची शक्यताय भायर मारिल्ली।
Today directed that the state government should issue a notification under section 38B of the Wildlife Protection Act declaring Mhadei and other surrounding areas to be a tiger reserve. So that will have a wide repercussions, and we will consider these directions. The judgment is not come to our hands now. Unless we study the judgment, we won't be able to comment. But factually, such a direction has been issued today, and we will have to only see now what next we can do. Our contention before the High Court was that there was no proper recommendation of the Tiger Conservation Authority. Unless that recommendation was resolved by the authority in its meeting, no such direction could be issued. So now we will have to see what findings the High Court has given on this issue.
उच्च न्यायालयाच्या निर्देशा उपरांत सरकार आता कितें पावलां उबारता तें पळोवचें पडटलें। वाघ संरक्षित क्षेत्राक पयलींच विरोध केल्ल्यान गोंय सरकार उच्च न्यायालयाच्या ह्या निवाड्याक सर्वोच्च न्यायालयात आव्हान दितले इतलें मात खरें। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही।